guys to our YouTube channel, Jarodix TV. And for today's video guys, I just want to share and react this another music video requested by our viewers, Baite Kaidem or Betty. Alright? So, thank you so much for you, Baite Kaidem, for your request. Okay? So, this video guys is a Manipur song. So, the title of this Manipur song guys is Nonglikla Pirangla. Alright, so before we go to our video guys, make sure that you are subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video guys. So without further ado guys, let's get now and watch the video. Soma Laishram prediction. Nonglikla Pirangla. Holding hands.
Sumli ng tagiwa kalsina ngasi Tarak liba ahingi Nung
very sweet
ka loy na Uri ko'y natsyatlo traba Manglan ang matuda Manglan ang Nung lady humliba Tamoy na ngasidi Fundo na amamba
Very sweet moments.
Chot liba may tongda Nonglikla Pirangla
Very gentleman. So sweet. Wow. Look at the lady. Very, very beautiful. Oh, he's proposing, huh? Oh. Yes, say yes. Congratulations. Wow. They preparing for their wedding. Oh. Wow, perfect.
Nung lady humliba Kamoy na ngasidi Fundo na amamba
I like this story guys. I like this story.
May tongda Nonglikla Pirangla Chak halilik na dana Tamoy ra At pasungamba Chak pasungamba
Oh, wedding day.
Kong thang tarak panong June Aying nagulin na Pitra balay rako
So handsome.
Uri ko'y natsyatlo traba Manglana maduda Manglana duda
He saved it. He saved the young young girl, young boy. What happened?
Chốt liba may tongda Nonglikla Pirangla Chak halilik na itarang tamoy Nong lady humliba Tamoy na nasini Fundo na amanda Chot liba may
by Jason G. Oh my god. I thought this story have a happy ending, guys, but I'm shocked, guys, that this story will become a sad story ending, guys. Guys, when you watch this video story, guys, we couldn't expect, guys, that this story have, a very sad ending on their life, guys. Yes, I'm expecting to, guys, that they have a happy ending, but we are all wrong. I couldn't expect what will happen at the end of their wedding, guys. We couldn't expect that this guy that she want to love, this guy that she want to meant to be forever, guys, will lose quickly on her life, guys. That is very, very sad for the lady, guys. Wow. I'm so sad also when I watch this story, guys, because even though this is a story or this is a video only, guys, but sometimes, guys, this story, guys, will happen in a real life to someone. Yes, that is true, guys. So I don't want to see, or I don't want to happen this to anyone. So guys, this is a very, very interesting story for me, guys, and I'm so grateful, guys, that I watched this video story, or this Manipur song. So that's it for today's, guys. I hope you enjoy this video story of Manipur song, guys. So thank you so much thank you so much to the viewers that requested this Manipur song, guys. Baiti kay them, thank you so much for you. I hope that you will continue to request another video after I upload this reaction video. So thank you so much for you. So guys, before I end this video, I just want to thank Northeast India for always there to support me on my channel. Alright, and for all the people that always watching my reaction video, thank you so much, guys. And for those new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit my notification bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So until the next reaction video, guys, thank you so much, and I love you all, guys. Bye. God bless.